Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the HBTower 3-step step ladder. Okay, this weighs a little over 13 pounds. Slide it out of there. We needed one that is also thin. You can see this is it folds up to a very thin profile, maybe about 2 inches, I'd say. So that is cool. My goodness. Okay. It's got some sturdy steel bars, cross members, and nice anti-slip steps on there, 3 of them. We didn't need something that was too high. We just have a little pantry in our house, and some of the shelves are a little high, a little difficult to access, and we didn't want to have to get the big ladder out every time we wanted to use it or access our things. So have some little instructions here, not really necessary. Right here on the bottom, nice wide anti-slip pads, so that's good. I recently actually was in the pantry grabbing stuff, and I was using a chair, and it slipped out from underneath me, just went flat on the ground. I'm not sure how I didn't get injured. Thank God I was okay. But yeah, so that's why we got this. We can see the steps nice and wide, have these little grips on there so you're not gonna slip off of there. Little foam handle up here at the top, so you can kind of, I'm gonna go put it in the pantry right now and we'll show you how well it works here. All right, so here we go. Lightweight, easy to carry. Simply fold that down. Then if I need to access my pantry right here, climb up on here, nice and sturdy, stable, and I can just reach back in here, no problem. Knock stuff off the shelves. If you want the top shelf, you even have this little ankle support you can kind of lean against. Then when you're climbing down, very secure, very steady. Nice grip on these for sure. And then I like how small it is, very easy to pull this up and stow it away. This is actually a perfect fit for right here. We have this space next to the fridge, and we just put this ladder right in there. So anytime we need to access the shelves, we don't need to go get a chair to stand on and hopefully, you know, not fall off of that. We can just grab our ladder here. I like that's a very small space. Right here, you can see it's quite narrow, but it just fits right in there easily. So anyways, a great little ladder, very supportive, feels very sturdy and safe. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.